Hi, you are much welcome to your favorite cryptos for you. Today's topic is alt subside for LayerZero's airdrop. Hey folks! So if your crypto Twitter feed looks like mine, you'll know that we're very much in airdrop season. Many companies have been waiting to finally release their airdrops for when the market has been ramping up. And so since the market has finally been ramping up, it comes to very little surprise that one of the most anticipated airdrops, LayerZero's $0, was finally released this past week. I've written about several different strategies last month about different ways to engage in LayerZero tech that might help you qualify. But out of the several dozens of different protocols you can engage with, in today's article I'm going to go through the different reasons why I think ALTD and their native token $alt has potentially one of the biggest upsides to gain from what might be one of the biggest airdrops of the 2024. Let's dive in, shall we? ALTD still has some of the highest APRs out there. As you can see from the graphic above, ALTD has literally dozens of pools that are offering double-digit returns on blue-chip assets. So note, these rates are relatively high due to low levels of liquidity. But one of the reasons why liquidity is so spread out is because it utilizes isolated chain paths which increase security. My take. The rates on ALTD are incredible, but one of the primary reasons is due to low liquidity. As the bull market continues to ramp up, I would keep track of the APRs, as you may be getting a smaller slice of the pie once liquidity comes rushing in. ALTD's liquidity pools have no impermanent loss in a normal liquidity pool when two or more different assets are paired. If one of the tokens' price appreciates while the other one remains stagnant or decreases, the LP holder experiences impermanent loss because they miss out on the gain they would experience had they solely held the appreciating price token. On ALTD, all of the liquidity pools are paired apples to apples, or in other words, because there's only a single asset that can be transferred throughout each isolated chain path. LP holders would experience the full price appreciation, or loss, of the asset that they are supplying. Low fees and 100% going back to $alt stakers, apart from rebalancing and reward fees, which help rebalance respective sides of different pools. ALTD has only a 0.05%, 5 BPs, fee for transfers, all of which go back to $alt stakers. If you take a look at some of the other biggest LayerZero bridge competitors, ALTD has one of the lowest rates out there. ALTD DeFi 5, Stargate, Finance 6, PancakeSwap 25, SushiSwap 30, my take. If you really are considering to start accumulating a bag of $alt for the next bull market, currently you can only stake $alt on Ethereum mainnet. So assuming that we'll see exponentially high gas fees in the next coming months, I would only consider staking your $alt if you have a significant amount to do so. Low market cap equal great potential for price appreciation. Once news came out from LayerZero about a token coming out in the first half of next year, we saw a significant pumping $STG. Stargate Finance's native token and LayerZero's flagship bridge, going from around 55 cents to around 65 cents. In other words, $STG's fully diluted valuation increased by more than $100 million in a matter of minutes. If the same were to happen to $alt, considering that the FTV of $alt is currently only at $1.12 million, even a $10 million pump in liquidity could do a 9x to $alt's coin price. Of course, on the other side of that coin, a low market cap also means that price action could also swing wildly down. But looking at $alt's current price at nearly all-time lows, I would say that we're most likely at the floor now. Conclusion: getting into any low market cap coin is risky, and $alt is no different. However, given the fact that, at the time of writing, it appears that $alt has bottomed out, I imagine that we're down to the hodlers now that are waiting for adoption to finally gain some traction. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and feedback. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, be safe and keep smiling.